Hello, great people. How on a day? Uh, this update would have been in Igbo language, but I decided to give it in English. Yeah, it's very important. As you can see on the headline, Ohaneze is making move to establish international markets across Nigerian states. Certainly for the Igbos, you know. So Ohaneze is making moves. There are places we have expected Ohaneze to act, and they didn't act. Just like in the Unified Igbo project that is handled by Namen TV. We expected Ohaneze to be doing things like that. Now, Ohaneze is embarking on a project that is sponsored by a particular bank. And I want to air our own reservations on this plan. Yes, because it seemed not to go down well with us. Ohaneze should understand what is happening, the situation of Nigeria. Because for you to say you establish international markets across Nigerian states, we don't think it's a wise decision. Look at what is happening in Lagos. About a few months ago, several plazas were destroyed in Alaba. I don't know whether, like they said, these were marked properties that are the owners do not have right to build certain places. But we also told, and we also told they are illegal structures. But you can see it's like a vendetta, a kind of political move. Maybe somebody was not voted and he decided to, vent his anger. And Igbos have been suffering things like that. Yes, the truth is that Igbos are, some of us are not doing the right things. Yes. For you to build a certain place, you have to know if it is approved. Yes, you have to check if it is approved. And anywhere you've had that the buildings have been demolished before, why should you even think of building there again? And we understand that some of the times too, it's just wickedness against the Igbo people. Some of these structures were marked without them knowing. Just like the one that happened in Abuja the other day. Caterpillar stormed a particular plaza with security forces. They almost started demolition and people started raising alarm because they were not informed. They were not given notice. As we will advise Igbo people to mind where they build structures, we also at the same time advise our people, advise the government to do the right things. We see what we call a target, a plan to reduce Igbo people to nothing. Yes, we see what is like a vendetta against us. So we advise our brothers to mind where they build. Having heard that Ohaneze is embarking on this particular move at this particular time, I don't think it's interesting, unless maybe we don't understand the plan. Ohaneze moves to establish international markets across Nigerian state. No! In Southeast alone, in Alibo, Southeast, let me not use Southeast. Let these markets be established in Igbo-speaking part of the country only. Yes, certainly the bank will fund it. I had the project already. They want to start with Abia State. That is a very nice development. After Abia State, go to another Igbo-dominated area, maybe in Rivers or Delta, or any Igbo-dominated part. Ebonyi, Anambra. There are some markets in Anambra that are not even being used. They have been there for long. And the markets are empty. Some of them are in a bad shape because of nobody is using and maintaining them. If you go to those markets, lizards have taken over, grasses everywhere in state of disrepair. The reason is these markets were built and people did not occupy. But most people are moving to Lagos or Abuja. Now, whenever they faces destruction and wickedness from the owners of the land, they remember home. So Ohaneze, please, this your project should be centered on should be only on an IGBO, anywhere called an IGBO. An IGBO does not only it's not only restricted to the southeast, but other parts of the country, like there is an IGBO in Delta, there's an IGBO in part of Bini, but any market for a banker should be in Abo. Yeah, there's an IGBO in River State. Anywhere there's an IGBO, that is where this market should be located. We know the amount that will be involved this time that the bank is going to finance this market. Please don't make mistakes. Don't make mistakes. Don't do something we will regret. I remember Ojukwu came while they called him to come and grace the occasion of opening Alaba. Ojukwu felt so sad. He didn't turn up. Please, let's not do something we regret. We built this market. There was a time we had Lagos government is targeting taking Alaba, our sweat, and I don't think there will be compensation as usual. Please don't build these markets outside an IGBO. This is an important one because we know that certain things are beginning to develop. Focus this market on an IGBO. The bank is going to fund the project, yes, but we know that our people will pay for it indirectly. We don't want to waste our resources. How can somebody build in a particular place? You spend maybe 20, 30 million, you build, they come, they bring it down in just within minutes. There is no one that becomes rich by destroying what they have saved, because those buildings are like saved money too. So Ohaneze, take note. If you don't know how to lead, Igbo people will dump you. Although many Igbo people have dumped you aside, but I see that you're embarking on a project, and that is why we are raising alarm. We are not countering the project, but we are telling you to restrict it to Igbo. We don't want trouble. We have faced a lot in this country. Restrict it to an IGBO and let the governors approve. And I believe the governors, there are state-owned land that can be given for such. Please, we are begging you, let's not make this mistake, because this is going to be a big project, international market level. The essence of this video is to warn Ohaneze, so that Ohaneze will be careful. Please share this video widely, let it spread, because this is what is about to happen. It's a move in the pipeline. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye-bye for now.